Hello everyone, welcome back to Quizzy Quiz. Today we people are going to play Can You Guess the Italian Brainrot from Their Shadows? There are 20 questions and you have to answer each in 7 seconds. Each correct answer score 1 point. Guess the Italian Brainrot. Very good. It's option C. Tung Tung Sahur. Can you identify this one? You are right. It's option C. Ballerina Cappuccina. Guess the Italian Brainrot. It's option A. Farigo Camillo. Can you identify this one? It's option B. Tralalero Tralala. Very good. Can you name this one? It's option B. Bananita. Any idea? It's option C. Bombardino Crocodilo. What about this one? You are right. It's option A. Liri Lila Rila. Can you name this one? It's option B. Boneca Ambalabu. Guess the Italian Brainrot. Yes, it's option C. Burbaloni Luli Loli. Can you identify this one? It's option A. Zebra Zubra. Can you identify this one? It should be easy one. It's option A. Trick Track Baraboom. Can you guess this one? It's option A. Giraffa Celeste. Any idea? It's option C. Mala me Amarolo. What about this one? It's option C. You din 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 dun. Can you guess this one? it's option B. Trulli Maro, Trulli China. Can you identify this one? Yes, it's option C. Burbur Patapim. Can you identify this one? It's option A. Glorbo Fruto Drillo. Round 18. It's option B. Ta 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 sahur. Can you name this Italian brain rot? Yes, it's option B. Tripa Tropa. What about this one? It's option C. Ballerina lo lo lo. Any idea? It's option B. Chimpanzini bananini. It should be easy one. Yes, it's option A. Cappuccino assassino. Round 23. It's option A. Blueberrini octopusini. Any idea? It's option A. Lavaca Saturno Saturnita. Can you identify this brain rot? Yes, it's option B. Licacto hippotomo. What about this one? Yes, you are right. It's option B. Faruli farula. Any idea? It's option C. Orangutuni ananasini. Can you name this brain rot? You are right. It's option C. Mateo. It should be easy one. It's option A. Pot hotspot. Can you identify this one? It's option B. Cocosino Reino. You people did very well. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.